Welcome, Agent AIM Group. Your track record has been impressive since you were commissioned November 20, 1979. On your first mission with the codename AIM Consultants Limited, AIM Architects and Engineers Consultants, and AIM Integrated and Architects Consultants Limited, you excellently rendered qualitative services in architecture, engineering, urban and regional planning, landscaping, quantity surveying, interior design, project management, and project supervision. And till date, you're still setting an unmatched record. In 1994, in the fierce food industry of Nigeria, with the Guys General Foods and Sweet Manufacturing Limited, codenamed Chocolat Royale, Cafe Royale Restaurant, and Métis, you birthed excellent gourmet services that earned you international awards and another monumental standard that still can be matched. Your mission in 1998 was in the broadcast world, where you took on the best to stand as the #1 hit music station with the codename Cool FM. You further rescued the masses with indigenous content and language in 2007 with Wazobia FM and Nigeria Info in 2011. You also drew countries closer to each other with impeccable internet solutions through Operation Cool Link, which started in 2001. Agent AIM, we are impressed with you. Your new mission, should you choose to accept, infiltrate the television industry and give world entertainment like has never been seen before. Agents Cool TV and Wazobia TV will help with all the entertainment, information, and education gadgets you'll need. All the best, Agent AIM Group.
This message will self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.